Hi, to enable double tap to turn off screen on your Samsung Galaxy A35, we just need to go in the settings and here scroll so we could see these advanced features. Now select it, and after that you should go in motions and gestures and here find this feature double tap to turn off the screen. And if you see that the switcher near the feature is blue, then it is enabled, so you can double tap an empty space on the home or lock screen to turn it off. Let's try this out on the home screen first. 1, 2. And yep, it's working. Let's do it on the lock screen. 1, 2. And it's working as well. And also I noticed really cool feature near this one, which is double tap to turn on screen. So you can enable it as well, and now you can turn on the screen when you double tap it. So let's try this out. I'm gonna firstly turn it off by double tapping, and now let's double tap to turn on. And yep, everything is working just fine. So if you would like to disable those features, just go back in this motions and gestures setting and tap on both switchers so it will become gray. And now when you will try to double tap the screen, nothing happens. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.